Hello, we're glad to have you with us for Wahab Public Law Library. Who, what, when, where, why. Today we'll be using the 5 question words to learn more about Wahab Public Law Library, the little library that helps people solve big problems. Who is Wahab? The library is named for the late Robert S. Wahab Jr., who was a Virginia Beach Circuit Court judge for 20 years. He loved the law library and believed in freely accessible legal information for everyone. The existing Virginia Beach Law Library was proud to take his name in 1979. Who are our customers? Wahab Public Law Library is the library of the courts. Its funding is provided through civil case filing fees from the General District Court and the Circuit Court. The law library also functions as a branch of the Virginia Beach Public Library using the same catalog and public computer system. We serve attorneys and judicial staff, municipal center employees, students, and the public. Many of our customers are self-represented. That is, they are conducting their legal business without an attorney. What do we offer? The law library's print collection includes the Code of the City of Virginia Beach, the Code of Virginia, and the United States Code. Form books that contain templates or examples of documents that are used in the courts, case reporters for local, regional, and federal courts, secondary sources such as legal encyclopedia, treatises, and practice guides, and much more. Using the law library's public computers, you can access the internet to consult web pages of courts, government agencies, and other resources. You can use Microsoft Office, including Word and Excel, to create and print your documents. And you can use the library's legal databases, Lexis and Westlaw, to do legal research and to find templates for legal documents. When can you visit? The library is open Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 4:30. Our web pages contain helpful information and links to help you with research at any time. We'll say more about that in a minute. Where are we located? The Law Library is part of the Virginia Beach Judicial Center, which consists of Building 10, the courthouse, Building 10A, and Building 10B. Here you will find the Circuit Court, the General District Court, Traffic Court, and the Juvenile and Domestic Relations Court. The Judicial Center also houses many court-related agencies and offices, such as probate, land records, and marriage licenses. The law library's close proximity to the courts and court offices is important for customers who need to go back and forth between them to complete their legal business. Visitors to the law library must enter through the main door of the courthouse, which is located at 2425 Nimmo Parkway. There is a large parking lot in front of the courthouse. All visitors will be screened by security. Cell phones, electronic devices, beverages, and weapons are prohibited. Once inside the courthouse, you'll see blue and white signs pointing you to Building 10B. The law library is on the ground floor of 10B. Remember to bring cash or credit card to pay for printing and photocopying. You may also bring a flash drive or USB memory stick to save your documents. Why visit the law library? Questions posed by our customers can vary widely. Topics include legal name change, divorce, annulment, probate, deeds, reinstatement of driver privilege, mechanics lien, expungement of criminal record, landlord and tenant issues, adoption, guardianship, power of attorney, initiation of or defense against a lawsuit, and many more. Staff will be glad to help you use the library's resources to do your research and to create your documents. What the law means and how it applies to your situation, how to proceed with your case, and what your legal documents should contain are all questions that should be directed to an attorney. Ideally, you will never find yourself with a legal problem, but if you do need to tackle some law-related research, please come see us. We hope you have enjoyed Wahab Public Law Library who, what, when, where, why. Next time, our focus will be on how. That is, how you can use our web pages to find helpful information and resources from any computer at any time. Watch for Wahab Public Law Library After Hours coming soon. Thank you.